Hey guys, I am back with another Smoke Alarm Spotlights episode, and you're probably thinking,
oh, Hydraulic, you already did a video on this.
well, actually, I did not. I did an unboxing video of it, and I have a unit that's very similar, and very, very similar, except this one's a little bit earlier. It is another 0915K, except this is the first generation version. The initial release. The very first one that came out in 1997 when Kidde bought out Firenetics. If you want to see the other one, I'll have a link down in the description. Go check it out. For like a whole history story on Firenetics and stuff like that. Anyways, I'm joined with Sydney and Gabe again.
Hello.
Hi.
And, yeah. So, yeah, this is the first gen 0905K. And, as you can see, it has all the same characteristics, except no do not paint text. If you look down in the corner, the do not paint text is missing. If I put my other 0915 right next to it, you can see the difference. There is no do not paint on the first gen, and do not paint on the 1.5 gen. That is an obvious telltale sign between these two. Anyways, let me just, put this off to the side. I'm not going to yeet it because I'm the Diamond Girl freak. I don't yeet any of my Diamond Girls unless they're broken. Funny story on this one. When I did the unboxing, the horn fucking died.
Wow.
Right out of the box, the horn was fucking dead.
Bestie, do you want to tell them a story about one of your other Diamond Girls? One of your hardwired Diamond Girls?
Not in this video. When I do a overview on the Diamond Girl 1285, I will. Because that's the unit of the Diamond Girl 1285. Anyway, that's another Diamond Girl Divisiel I'll get to in a different video. This is about the 0915 Divisiel. So, yeah. Same label on the back, except made 1997, October 27th. Is that date important to any of y'all?
No, except it's 3 days before your birthday.
Oh, Cindy said me. Or did you say not me?
I said not me.
Anyways, crash incoming. This is literally 3 days off of my birthday. Yeah. I was kind of heartbroken to see it was just 3 days off. But that does share the same exact day and month as my FADCQ, so I guess golf clap. Guys, let's take a look at this sexy Diamond Girl. I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Hey, now this video can't get marked as made for kids.
Anyways, this one does a slower 4.6. It's not really that special. As of now, I got the horn fixed, so let's hear this thing test. Does a slower 4.6 pulse. This was actually the one I needed to complete my Diamond Girl collection of Diamond Girl 09K series units. So, yeah, again, no dying sound. This video was rather quick because it was very similar to the other one. But, Gabe, do you have anything to say about this unit?
Not really, except, I think it is a cool unit, it's, and the fact that it's 3 days off your birthday, yeah, like, that, it's just a super cool unit, I think.
And Sydney, do you have anything to say?
Once again, I like the Diamond Grill aspect, and I like the fact that that's 4.6, but like I said last video, it's just not my cup of tea.
Yeah, his cup of tea would be the Firenetics design from like 92 or something like that. But yeah, that was the very beautiful, very elegant, and very sexy Diamond Grill 0915. But yeah, it's a pretty neat unit. It was actually the one I had to play the waiting game for. But yeah. Anyways, with that being said, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next Smoke Alarm Spotlights episode.
Bye.